Change is everywhere. From the gentle falling of leaves to the shifting tides of the ocean, nature whispers to us the truth. Nothing stays the same. But while we may accept these changes in the natural world, when it comes to our own lives, we often resist. We cling to what is, fearing what might be. Why? Why is letting go of the familiar so hard? And perhaps the biggest question of all, why do we fear the ultimate change? Death. The Stoics believed that to live fully, we must embrace the impermanence of everything, including ourselves. Seneca once said, "Let us prepare our minds as if we'd come to the very end of life. Let us postpone nothing. Let us balance life's books every day." This wasn't a call to despair, but to courage, to meet life's fleeting nature with grace and clarity. Now, think of the sequence of life and death. It's easy to see death as the end of the story, a full stop. But what if it's not? What if death is just another part of this vast cycle of change? Picture a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly. For the caterpillar, the end of its current existence is inevitable, but it's not the end. It's a shift into something greater, something unimaginable in its earlier form. In the same way, when we die, we don't truly cease to exist. Instead, we move from a smaller world into a larger one, a transition from the temporary to the infinite. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, death smiles at us all we can do is smile back. This isn't to trivialize it, but to reframe it. Death is not the destruction of life, but the continuation of existence in a new, unknown form. It's like reaching the horizon we've been walking toward, only to discover it opens into a new, infinite expanse. So why do we fear this transition so much? Often it's because we see life and death as opposites, but they are two sides of the same coin. Life teaches us to embrace the present, and death reminds us of its fleeting beauty. Together, they push us to live authentically, to waste no time on trivialities and to find meaning in every moment. And if this idea still feels too abstract, just look to nature. The seasons change. Spring gives way to summer, summer fades into autumn, and autumn surrenders to winter. Yet every winter carries within it the seeds of spring. There's no true end, only transformation. Life itself thrives because of impermanence, not despite it. This understanding is liberating. When we embrace the wisdom of impermanence, we stop grasping at things that are meant to pass. We let go of the need to control everything, recognizing that change is not the enemy, it's the rhythm of existence. And when the time comes for our final transformation, we can meet it not with fear, but with the quiet confidence that it is simply a continuation of the journey. So as you navigate life, remember, the impermanence of all things isn't something to resist. It's something to celebrate. Let it guide you to live boldly, love deeply, and face the unknown with an open heart. Accept the changes, even the hardest ones, for they are the steps that lead us to the next horizon. Take a deep breath. Reflect on the fleeting beauty of this moment, knowing it will pass, and that's what makes it priceless. Thank you for watching and joining this journey of wisdom and growth. Live better, think deeper, build resilience. Don't forget to subscribe to Sage Chronicles to be the first to see it first.